Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to join Bloxfruit's Discord server. Before we start it, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Discord and click on the plus icon to add a server. Then we click on a join a server and type discord.gg/. Bloxfruit. This is the link of that server. And then click on join server. And it will take to official Bloxfruit's Discord server. That's how you can simply join Bloxfruit's Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and we will see you in the next video.